Okay, something got really. Oh, actually, it's Ty Lopez.
It is?
Yeah, Ty Lopez right there.
All right.
Everyone's kind of surrounding the Tyster.
Let's go test it.
Yeah,
we're not in my garage. Let's go.
Yeah, we're not in the garage. We're in Vegas. So, yeah, okay. Okay, Ty Lopez aside, we're gonna go check out the show floor to see all the exhibits. Yesterday, we were checking out the meat market. The meat market is a action-packed 6 hours. The show floor is a lot more relaxed because it's over 2 days, today and tomorrow, and it's a lot bigger in terms of square footage, so there'll be a lot more room to roam around, and it's a lot more relaxed atmosphere. But before we go, we're gonna check out the press room to see if we can get an entourage to go with me. No, only the hot dog man's here. Do you want to carry my swag bag?
What?
I need something to carry my swag bag.
No, I'm going, trying to be more eco-friendly and go lighter on the swag this year.
Lighter on swag? No, we need swag.
I'm only getting useful swag like this snazzy vest.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna get one of those then. Let's go inside. Networking rest area over there. Exhibit halls over here. Whatever affiliate program you're looking at, you'll probably find it here at Affiliate Summit. Everything from lead generation, cost per action, cost per click, and even creating your own private label branded product. They have that too. Now, this is a cool company. What they do is they set up a business for you in Puerto Rico where the corporate tax is only 4%. So they'll handle it all. Cool. That's a pretty good savings. Yes.
Yeah, we were talking to Garth.
And like I said, you need a private label ticket network. There we go. Well, it's the wolf of monetization street. He's going off to take a wolf break. Hey, Bitcoin Mania has hit Affiliate Summit as well.
Yeah, there's a few more over there.
There's a few more, yeah. So one of the many exhibitors showing off the Bitcoin stuff. This is Noble Bitcoin.
Yeah, this one.
I'll take this in my swag bag, to carry all the swag I'm gonna get. There you go, all the swag will go in there.
And you can wear it like a backpack.
Oh, I can wear like a backpack, cool. Like 150 grand a year. How do you live on that? What is happening though?
What's going on here?
What's going on?
Getting younger by the minute.
Is he removing the bags from your eyes? Is that it? No? I just insulted the man. I didn't even know it. It always happens at every affiliate summit, someone forgets to show up. In this case, it's Rev content.
Maybe some of the people that got stuck in the airport.
Yeah, we have content. So all you got is 2 chairs and a coffee. All right. Win. What the? They show like $1 million of cash, and then you actually read it. It says win $100. It's like it's classic bait and switch.
You can win some real money. Or you can win Echo.
No, I want to win I want all that. Put in this bag.
I would love to, but it might not all be real. So I
Actually,
don't know.
you know what happened?
What?
Last time at the Affiliate Summit East, they had that money exposed, and I took it.
He's not supposed to tell you all of our secrets.
Yeah, so I took it, and then I have it under glass, so I can't take the money anymore.
Right, see, we went up to you this time, though, because we remember.
And never trust Chow. Here's the fidget spinner. That was sold last year, though. I mean, but I guess a few companies still giving away fidget spinners. A cap's always good. Sally could use some caps, so yeah. Especially when it says charge. Infopay.com. Private label branding, 80% rev share, and $50 CPA. Oh, even your own data API access too. Cool. This must be the Moscow affiliate network right here.
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
Hi, John.
That's right. It's a DA. How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Yeah. Oh, what's that? What those things are there?
Oh, yeah.
Is that where the weapons are?
Yeah, it was nice.
He's taking a
Yeah, your bear's taking a break.
Yeah. Come back
Start
later.
it.
Yeah,
All right.
something later.
Yeah, we'll come back with a
We can
bear.
make a picture. Do you want a picture with bear or girls?
Yeah, when he comes back, we'll get a picture of the bear. Okay,
thank you.
I'll see you guys in a little bit. I need a Pair Fly t-shirt. That's right, because you guys have the best t-shirt.
Yeah, man, what size?
Yeah, I actually wear your t-shirt. Unlike any other company t-shirt, I wear your one.
What size do you want?
What?
What size?
I'm a large.
Large? What color?
What?
What color?
All of them. Yeah, you can put them in a swag bag. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh, we got. Oh, cool. We got Purify glasses too. Yeah, I want that. Yeah, the Purify T-shirt is made with a soft T-shirt material. That's really nice. It's the same material that I use for my T-shirt. This is the AMEX booth, and every time I come here, I figure AMEX has a fantastic affiliate program, but this guy, he's not here to sell you the affiliate program. He wants to get you on get you a gold card, right?
Exactly.
That's I have a platinum already, so that was.
A platinum business or
Yeah, and yeah, I do get a lot of every once in a while. They want to get the gold as well, but yeah, I use AMEX all the time. Yeah, AMEX is great for buying advertising because there's no limit. Wow, look at that. I mean, it actually looks like you. That's amazing.
I know.
Wow.
You should have seen the gentleman being
Wow. She is accenting all your good features.
before me. He was,
Is there a lineup for you? There probably is a lineup for you.
did you see his? Right here?
I see it. All right. All right. So,
John.
how you doing? Oh wow, that was great. So when can she draw me? Next? Yeah. After you. Oh, is that when the lineup after you? Okay.
Hey, John, I'm looking at a photo of you because a buddy of mine.
Oh, you want to take a photo? Okay,
He's
sure.
a big fan of yours.
Yeah,
so.
awesome. Hey, check it out. Private label dating. Dating factory. Cool. Just pump them out. And even have the turn your.
Take a picture?
Well, what do I do with this thing?
Stand there, we'll take a picture of you.
Okay. Oh, all right. It's my friend the Hoff. Where's the money machine?
No money machine.
No money. Well, you got money there.
We got a little money though.
Yeah. It's only $2. Oh, the money gun. You got a money gun. Even better. Cool.
Money gun. And then this one is
And $2 bills.
So this is the one.
I want to shoot the money gun. Impact Radius, they handle my HostGator affiliate program. An Impact Radius hat? Yeah, sure. All right.
Glasses are great if you want them.
No, I got the most important thing, the beer opener. There you go. For those who don't have VIP tickets but still want a free beer, Pioneer will give you free drinks. There you go.
You gotta scan your badge.
You do.
get a free beer.
Well, you can just get free, or you can just get a VIP ticket and get free beer anyway. So, yeah. But if you're a heavy drinker, because they only give you 12 VIP tickets,
Not everybody.
which is not enough.
If everybody was VIP, then thousands.
And it wouldn't be VIP.
They wouldn't be VIP.
Yeah, that's right. That's why they have that. There we go. So if you're a VIP and ran out of 12 and gone through 12 beers, come here. If you're not a VIP, come here. I need a dozen ice cubes.
Yes, can we get a vest?
That's right. I need a dozen ice cubes.
Have ice cubes.
It's for my daughter's party. That's right. That's only 2. I need 10 more.
I can't give you 10.
Yes, you can. You guys just raised $250 million. You can afford to give me a dozen ice cubes.
Fortunately, that $250 million did not go to ice cube budget allocations.
That's all right. I'm sorry. I'm a customer. I'm not an affiliate.
Promote you guys. No, we're actually down to like 25.
All right, I'll take 2 more then. You can do that. You can spare 2 more ice cubes. Yeah. If you can spare 2 more, you can spare 1 more. Like, is there anything inside the egg?
Yeah, got
Oh.
all sorts of kisses.
Okay,
and
kisses.
chocolates.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds great.
What do you guys do?
Fulfillment.
Oh, okay.
Shipping and-
Oh, fulfillment company. So you're the goose that lays the golden egg.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
are.
there we
we
go.
are your golden egg.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. So you into affiliate marketing? Yeah.
Oh no, I think I goofed up.
So sorry, I meant
No, I kind of failed that time. Luckily, I have unlimited tries. Let's see if Oscar can win anything. Anyway, the top prize is this beautiful TV here.
Sorry?
Beautiful TV is the top prize, right? Yeah. Oh, you didn't grab anything?
They had it and it didn't get it.
Oh man, I got one. Let's hope this is a TV. Let's see if I won anything. It says you have won a power pack. What's a power pack?
that's the little mobile phone charger thing.
Oh, a power pack. Cool. But thank you. We're gonna do it again until I win that TV. And this is the last of the booth. So I think we actually seen the majority of the show floor. The only thing left is to get the ShareASale bear. The ShareASale bear.
They
What?
have unicorns. Let's go get some.
Is a
No more
ShareASale
bears.
unicorn?
Yeah, no more bears for
All right, let's go get a ShareASale unicorn. Sari will like that. Because, you know, she's been telling me It's always the bear, or then the dog.
It's a dog, yeah.
Bear and the dog. Something. So you can get the ShareASale unicorn. Cool. There you go. Sai will like this. ShareASale unicorn. No more dogs and no more bears. No more dogs, but unicorn. Cool. ShareASale unicorn. Thank you for coming to Affiliate Summit. Subscribe to John Chow channel. Like and share his video. We'll see you next time. Yay!